So on these episodes of our random reviews, one of the things that we like to talk about are the various different tools that we use to get the job done when we're either at the garage, out on an adventure somewhere, and it's all stuff that has helped us out in a tremendous way, but it's taken a little bit of hunting and a little bit of thinking to try to track down how to do it exactly and where to buy these parts. So now, take it away, Tim.
Hi, I'm Tim. In no way is this a paid promotion whatsoever, as we aren't cool enough to get paid promotions for anything. That being said, if you watch a lot of automotive YouTube, you probably see guys running their cars, like, especially if it's a carbureted car, to get it from point A to point B, they'll throw an old boat gas tank under the hood and use these tiny electric fuel pumps. They're really cheap. This is the Mega Flint. They pump just enough gas to run a carbureted car with next to no issue. They don't have the longest lifespan. I mean, I think it was like a $60 pump, but really, really simple to hook up, really easy to use. And honestly, like, even if you want to just get old gas out of a tank because you don't want to destroy all the internals of an engine, you just drop a hose down into the tank and pump it all out. No need to siphon it, no need to taste old gas, nothing like that. All it is, positive and negative. For guys like me, it has the flow direction on it, so you can't get it wrong, although I did once. So, little demonstration. This is my intake. I just put bullet clips on the end. I keep this in the gas. This is my return line. And I just touch it on here. And there she goes. You can see how much it pumps. It's pretty decent. And it'll just keep going and going and going. Some people call them, what, a click pump or something? Whoop.
Yeah, I think so.
And that's it. Super simple. Get you home if you have a dead fuel pump. Never a bad idea to just have one in the back of the car, because you never know, right?
And it saves you from having to taste gas if you're trying to siphon something out. So thanks for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed this and hope that it helped in some way.
Look at that. See that? It took, what, 10 seconds to drain that little tub? So the flow rate's pretty good.